Hey everyone, and welcome back to Celeb Zone, your favorite channel for celebrity drama. Kendall Jenner easily pulls off a supermodel look with a wardrobe that is as fashionable as it is casual. Since her approach to style does not usually feature many outlandish looks, you can easily recreate some of her iconic outfits without spending thousands of dollars. Here's a few outfits you can try out for under $100. Number 6. Coca-Cola ad dress. This outfit is super simple and a perfect example of how easy it is to recreate her look while on a budget. Her look is rumored to be an advertisement for Coca-Cola's newest flavor, Orange Vanilla, as she sports an orange dress perfectly matching the color on the can and a white purse to match the vanilla. Her actual wardrobe is made from a Breckenridge Mandarin Orange mini dress for $200, a nylon white Prada shoulder bag for $1,600, Amina Muaddi shoes for $1,300, Velvet Canyon sunglasses for $185, and Eshvi gold drop earrings for $3,505, totaling $6,790. However, you can easily find lookalikes for her outfit online or in retail stores. Look for an orange bodycon frock for the dress, a printed purse with a gold chain, and you can swap out any light heels and shades to complete the look. You can find almost anything you need to complete this and other outfits in this video at ThredUp, but you can also check out other online thrift stores or discounted wares on Wish, Amazon, Poshmark, and more for amazing deals on gorgeous clothes and accessories. Number 5. Kendall's looking fly in yet another casual wear outfit that you can easily recreate. She wears a basic tee with a custom graphic of her Doberman, but you can easily find a shirt with any kind of dog to match your own for a personalized look that still matches the bombshell celeb style. On top, she wears an open button-down with a color to match the Doberman on her shirt. The oversized button-down gives the outfit a casual vibe, and the oversized look extends to her slack-like sweatpants as well. To finish off her look, she has some white kicks, and you can mix and match with almost any casual white shoe you own. If you don't have any of these items in your closet, you can easily find them in a secondhand store, making this one of Kendall's cheapest and easiest looks to try out. Number 4. Kendall loves to depart from traditional celebrity fashion, and when she does, she always makes a statement. This look is a super casual, semi-boyish look that features an oversized sweatshirt tucked on one side. For pants, she wears a sheer windbreaker material with oversized legs that give the appearance of cargo pants. Graphics on the sweatshirt are a plus, and the white and black two-tone helps keep the look minimal while accenting the graphic. Kendall wears the style in a unique way too, opting to hold the sweatshirt on her side like someone would do with sagging pants. She also completes the look with white sneakers and a black side bag. Number 3. Kendall also likes to wear sleek, comfortable clothing with a vibrant and exciting top and neutral pants. To recreate this simple yet classy street-style look, you can start with a mesh graphic tee and any kind of black pants you might have around. Kendall went with a cottony pant with flared ends, but any kind of trouser or pant will work for this look. For other accessories, she uses squared books with tall heels and simple black sunglasses. And if you look good and feel comfortable, you can also do your hair with a sleek middle part bun to complete the look. Number 2. If you want a slightly edgier nightclub vibe, you can try out this all-black outfit that Jenner wore. Instead of going for designer brands, you can swap out any oversized leather or faux leather jacket. Underneath the bulky jacket, she wears a small cami and a pair of black straight-leg denim pants. Number 1. You don't have to go colorful to get good summer vibes. This next outfit blends urban neutral color palettes with light flowing materials for a unique blend that screams Kendall. The centerpiece of the outfit is Kendall's dress with a busy and dense leopard print, which flows thanks to its light fabric. The top portion of the dress features thin straps and a small top to complement Kendall's features and accentuate the flow of the dress. The second standout feature of this look is her knee-high black boots. A small shoulder bag fits perfectly with this look, and you can cap it off with the same rectangular sunnies used with many of the other outfits. Thank you for watching Celeb Zone. With these amazing outfit ideas, you can dress like Kendall Jenner without breaking your bank. Are you going to try out any of these super simple wardrobe ideas? Do you have your own look inspired by Kendall that you want to share with us? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to let us know with a like and subscribe to Celeb Zone for more exciting celebrity videos.